Welcome back to Smart Money Monday. Today we're going to be talking about remodeling your kitchen and bathroom. And to guide us through all of this, a very complex process, Adam Morris from Beck of Hawaii. Aloha, Adam.
Hey, good to see you, Steve.
So, Adam, what's the first thing we need to know about before we do our kitchen and bathroom remodels?
Well, they're two of the most used places in your house. They're also the most expensive parts of the house to remodel because of the cost of appliances and all the people you have to hire to do the work.
Yeah, and by people, you mean the highly skilled tradespeople, right?
Exactly. Unlike just adding a fresh coat of paint for kitchen and bathroom remodels, you may need an electrician, plumber, tile installer, cabinet maker, and others.
So how much are we talking about?
Well, according to Remodeling magazine, the national average for a mid-range major kitchen remodel is $66,196. And an upscale major kitchen remodel is $131,510. And that's the national average. We all know Hawaii prices tend to run even higher than on the mainland.
Yeah, it's a major investment.
It is. You know, if you expect to sell your home in the next 5 years, you should only spend as much as you expect to get back. If you plan on staying in your home for the long term, then creating the ideal environment should be your priority.
Where do we get started?
Yeah, most people aren't skilled enough to do-it-yourselfers to remodel a kitchen or bathroom, so you need to hire a contractor. You can call your local builders association for referrals, then pick 2 or 3 to interview.
Where do the costs for a kitchen remodel generally go?
You know, typically cabinets eat up 25% of your budget. Labor and appliance costs account for another 20%. And it's recommended that you budget around 20% for unexpected surprises like water damage or electrical that's not up to code.
Ooh, what about bathroom remodels?
Well, bathroom remodels run about $10,000 depending on the scope and size of the bathroom. And just like with kitchen remodels, you can raise or lower your costs depending on the quality and cost of the materials and appliances, which come in all shapes, sizes, and prices.
So basically, know what you're getting into before you get started, both from a price and a timing standpoint, right?
Exactly, Steve. You know, kitchen and bathroom remodels can be expensive and time-consuming projects, especially with today's supply chain issues. But since our kitchen and bathrooms are so important to your quality of life in your home, investing in improving them can definitely be worth it.
Yeah, and there's a lot of interest in this. So, Adam, thanks for coming in and sharing some knowledge with us. We appreciate it.
Always a pleasure, Steve. Take care.
Aloha. And thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.